Welcome to my channel. My name is Sarkan.
Today we will learn how to connect printers to all the computers. Printer connecting two ways, wired and wireless. Wi-Fi connection and wire connection. Let's go. First, let's show the wired connection. Normally, it will install automatically when you connect the printer. White cable. But if not, then follow this step. First, go to the Start menu. Tap Control Panel here. Then select Device and Printers from the list. Then if your printer appears, here the installation is complete. If you don't have a printer in the list, do it like this. Right click and add printer. If you are going to set up wireless, say add device. First click add device. If your printer is connected to same network, it will appear in this list. If you are connected by cable, click add printer. This is time. And the list site and local printer if you are connected by cable. If you are connecting wireless, choose wireless connection. Select your port from the list. You can install it by selecting the band of your printer from this list. Example: HP, Generic, let's try wireless connection. If your printer is connection, it will appear in the list. If this step didn't work, let's try another method. And click to start and write Device Manager. if there is an incorrect printer driver in this list ve update it. If you have problems, try to install the driver manually. Select printers from the list. Then you can install it if your printer driver is available from the list. If your printer still doesn't work, try this method. Open your internet browser. Write google.com and type your printer band. This is. Then you can try to install the driver from your printer's official site. Our video was so helpful. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.